Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. And today I have few Indian skincare that are really good. I am loving these things. I'm gonna start with this Suganda body lotion. If you have sensitive skin, dehydrated skin, you want lightweight but hydrating and soothing body lotion for this summer, you're not gonna be disappointed with this one. It is fragrance free, it has really good formulation, it soothes my skin, hydrates, nourishes without that sticky, greasy feeling. Also, there are body lotions that take a long time to absorb, or they take some time to absorb, but it doesn't. It absorbs really, really quickly. And if you want something with a very good scent, then go for this one. This is from Atarstory. This is a brand I found recently, and they have really good scented body care. They have attar, they have body lotions. They also have a vanilla body lotion which I want to try. But this one, this NARGIS body lotion, this is so good. If you're tired of gourmand scents, go for this one. This is very beautiful, sweet floral scent. I once tried one mist from Forest Essential. They have one Nargis mist. It was beautiful. It smells similar. I would say better than that. And the price is also not like, Forest Essentials, because their products are very, very costly, but this is quite affordable. So yeah, really love this. If you want something very sweet scented, I have to say, this is the most beautiful scented body lotion I ever tried, to be very honest. Also, I'm loving one attar from them. They have one Kesar Chandan attar that is very old school attar. The scent is very old school, but I love it. Up next, I have this sunscreen. This looks green, but it doesn't make your skin green. It absorbs nicely, doesn't relieve any stress. Color green is here to color correct, I think. It is mineral formula and very good, very, very good. It absorbs quite quickly. It has, I think, zinc oxide and titanium dioxide as well. And yeah, I do recommend this one. Also, the color is very interesting, bright green, not pale or something very light green, bright green, but yeah, it goes away, no worries. Also, the formula feels very soothing on my skin. Up next, I have this very good cleansing oil from an Indian skincare brand. See, it does the job of cleansing oil, nothing more, nothing less. It can compete high-end cleansing oils, to be very honest, from Korean brands, and doesn't make my skin those that waxy feeling that some of the cleansing oils they leave behind. It did not sting my eyes, takes off makeup, sunscreen very easily. If you're looking for a good cleansing oil, you definitely can try this one. Up next, I have this sleeping mask. The texture of this is so awesome. It's not greasy, but it works really good for dehydrated skin. It makes my skin so glowy, plump in the morning. It has a little bit rose scent to it, not that much, but just tiny bit, maybe from the ingredients and all, but yeah, it works so well. So if you're looking for a good sleeping mask, you can try. Even for this summer, I think it can work because the texture is not heavy. It is, it is there, like protecting the water loss, but it is not greasy, not heavy. You will enjoy using it. Texture is such, it is like velvety, there is not too much hype about this, but this is good. But you can't use this in the morning, I think, because texture is such, if you put a sunscreen on the top of it, it's going to be really difficult to work with, to be very honest. So for nighttime, it is great. And this is a sleeping mask, so yeah, it is for nighttime. Lastly, I have this licorice oil. I love licorice. I have been using licorice face mask for a long time, and I found this oil, and this is actually very good. Rosehip oil is very good for glowing skin. I'd say licorice oil also very good, if not better, but same or maybe better. Because this is so soothing as well. Doesn't feel heavy or sticky. You just need 2 to 3 drops, you are good to go. I use this as the last step of my skincare routine. It works. Have you tried licorice oil before? Let me know if you have tried, how it worked for you. For me, love it, love it. I have tried licorice serum, toner, mask, everything worked so well for me. Also this oil, so I think my skin is biased towards licorice, or licorice in general can be very good for skin. This is soothing, brightening. I want more products to have licorice. I used to love this Aquel serum. I can't find it anymore. It was so good. So yeah, this is the things I'm loving from Indian skincare brands. Let me know if you have any recommendations, anything that you want me to try, or anything that you have been loving from Indian skincare brands. I'm gonna see you very soon again. Tata, take care, bye bye.